Okay, guys, now we are going to find our respiratory rate while we are sitting still. So what you're looking for is how many times someone is breathing. Just normally, it's normal for you to take a breath. You don't want to be, if you're the patient, holding your breath because that kind of changes the respiratory rate, just breathing normally. And we're going to do this for 30 seconds. We're going to be using the stethoscope here for this as well. So if you are the nurse that's taking the vitals, you will have the stethoscope and you will place this on your patient. You're listening for breaths. So every time we do that, we'll do that for 30 seconds. You'll also need a timer. So I'm going to pull out my timer for 30 seconds. Sometimes the nurse will put it here. Sometimes they'll put it on their back. It just depends on what makes sense for you as the person taking the vitals. So I'm going to start my timer and count my breaths. Okay, so pretty normal. I got about 10 breaths per 30 seconds. Also know you're going to hear the heart rate when you're doing that as well. So you want to just ignore the heart on that one and really focus on the breathing of your patient. So I ended up with 10 resting heart rate. Now I can do that in my head, but in case you get a rate that's not 10 and you're not quite sure, I do 10 because I got 10 breaths times 2. And that gives me 20 because I want to multiply the 30 seconds to make it 60 seconds, a whole minute. So I ended up with a resting heart rate of 20, which is in the normal range. All right, guys, go ahead and take your respiratory rate, and then I'll see you again later. Bye.